Oh! Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to SeoulSweet. Today I'm gonna be unboxing GOT7's Eyes on You album. I only have the Eyes and the You album. I don't know why I did not pre-order the On. It came with like this lookbook, so let's look at this first. Oh! What is this? Okay, I got Youngjae for this one. Dang it, I really... Oh, look at him! Oh, yes. Yes. I think it's... Oh my god, look at Mark's smile. I love him. Yes, side profiles. Yes, kings, legends. Ah! Youngjae again? Excuse? But okay. Right now we're gonna be looking at the Eyes version. Oh! So it... Oh! Mark! Mark. Oh my god, yes! I got Mark. I got Mark! Yes! This is fate, guys. This is fate. This is fate. He looks so good. Oh! Looking like a meal. Oh, but... I like this too, but then like Mark. Oh, this is pretty. Eyes on You. And then the back. We're just gonna keep Mark right here where we can see him. Ooh-hoo. Ooh. Yes, JB. His face. Oh. I want to go to their fan signing, but like you probably have to buy like 60, 70, maybe even more albums, and that is just a lot of money. But, you know. Oh, and this is where they would like sign your name. Oh. Yes, Jackson. We love models. My twofer! Yes! Bam! Oh my god. They just look so good. This is a great pairing. How did they know, man? The moments in my eyes. Oh my god, there are things too. What? No English for Mark? Here's the CD. So let's see who we got. Let's look at this one. Oh, Jackson? Does it say? Cute! Jin Young. And Yugyam. This is so funny. This is like Cheska's biases. But it's missing Youngjae. But Mark's my man's. So, who this? I wonder if these are all different. Oh shoot, I ripped it. Youngjae. Wow. Mark, Yugyam, Jinyoung, Jackson, Youngjae. Very good assortment. I like it. Okay, now for the You version. Really liked this like cover and aesthetics. Oh snap. Okay. Okay, well, let's just look at this. I already know. Girls, boys. Look who just popped up. Like, how did I know? Okay, all I need is like Bam Bam, and I will have like everyone for at least one of them. Oh, girl. Girl. Mark, JB, Mark up here. If this is gonna be Mark or JB, I'm gonna scream. I doubt it, but. Jin Young again? Dang it, it's the same card. Okay, let's see who this is. I wonder if this is gonna be. Yes, it's blue. Okay, ready? Is there anyone? Oh, and it's Bam Bam. Okay. And here's Bammies. This is so good. But then I also want to give this to Lazel, but like, this covers everything. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing. Bam Bam's gonna stay here. Everyone will watch. Eyes on you. I really love this color, like the blue. Oh my god, yes. Kind of looks like a vampire. He's giving me vampire vibes. Yes, I love this picture. We love family. 0 to 100 real quick. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm so happy I ended up getting my faves. And I got like every single member. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!